Welcome to the world of coding with Visual Studio Code, the go-to editor for developers around the globe. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your coding skills, VS Code has something for everyone. First, let's explore the basics. Installation. Downloading and setting up VS Code is a breeze. Visit the official website, select your OS, and follow the installation guide. User interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout. The Explorer on the left lets you navigate files and folders, while the editor in the center is where you'll write your code. Extensions. One of VS Code's strengths is its extensions. From language support to themes, there's an extension for almost everything. Try installing the live server to see your web projects in real time. Now, for some cool features, integrated terminal. Access your terminal directly in VS Code, making it easier to execute commands without leaving the editor. Debugging. Simplify the debugging process with built-in support. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and navigate through your code with ease. Source control integration. VS Code integrates seamlessly with Git. Track changes, commit directly from the editor, and collaborate with others on projects. Remember, the key to mastering VS Code is exploration and practice. Start experimenting with different features and extensions to find what works best for you. Dive into coding with VS Code today and unlock a world of possibilities.